I didn't mean you, nigga. I mean you can say that.
I love nigga.
Oh, yes.
I love black nigga.
Really? Really? I love that.
What sport do you play?
Sport.
Football. Soccer.
Mi sport netball. Netball with the ball, with the net, and me go inside the goal.
Club. Like Barcelona.
Barcelona. Teo, tú sabes, Barcelona.
Puta Barca. She say me nigga.
No, you can't say that in the thingy. Looking out for me?
Yes, baby.
You like
You're showing
my
7-year-olds.
Motherfucker, these motherfuckers, I can't say it in the live, but
Baby, this needs to be family friendly.
very motivational shit. Nipple this shit. They know this shit. Man qala thi ngibane manje wenzeni manje umlungu belungu mina bayangibhora mina ngifuna ukama manga
To be
who this person copied many times. Why do they look alike? Akumnandi lapho. Which country is this? Why unkari maburu ako maburu ako Pretoria North Kimatana. Guys, stop this. I'm not gonna entertain this. This is just wrong. I'm not gonna do that. Where you at? I'm in Croatia, baby. Hi boys, is this pre-recorded? Nope, this is not pre-recorded. This is the time that is, yeah. Are you dating umlungu? Yeah. Hey, umlungu ingena happy. But yes. That's why ngingagodoli manje ngisemanzini. Because ngijola nomlungu. Ngicela niboneni le choir. Ngiyifisa le choir le. Umuntu amusexy though. Oh my god. Ngicela nimbone uconducted i-choir serious lapho. Aka sexy. Ngimshele emuva. Ngiyadlala. Anyways, kuyashisa lana and ekhumnandi lana. Uconduct i-choir serious ngicela. Oh, kutsini lapha. What are you guys even saying?
Huh?
What are they even saying?
They were asking for
Zenani.
Instagram. Show them your handle. Baby, it keeps coming down.
It does. If I can't help that, my nipple wants to say hi. I can't help it. What am I supposed to do, mate?
I can't help
It
it,
just
mate.
keeps coming on.
You're all freaked out and laughing.
They were like,
Oh, you're on
no.
Instagram?
You're so annoying. Fuck out of here.
Little Croatian boys. Yes. I'll be your African.
I'll be your African queen. I'll be your chocolate farm tata. It's giving Dr. Cats.
Dr. Cat.
I want to African on camera. I need to African on camera. Baby, you know it's cool. But not you carrying me in the sea. Like, Mangubula sea. What is that gonna do?
I don't know. Maybe you.
Okay. Thank you.
You have feet.
Do I?
You have feet, no?
You sure? What if I'm doing a split? That's exactly what I'm doing.
Are you still alive?
Yeah. Because I'm alive. Are you scared?
The whole internet is like...
Are you scared?
The whole
I kissed
internet...
on my lap. Fuck that.
Tomorrow you're gonna be like...
I swear. Ngiyakuthanda wena man. I need to get pretty on camera. Nenzani ebusuku lapho we angazi nakwenzakalani la. It's literally 19 whatever in South Africa. Nala ma iwishiwishi. And a shame, I'm so in love. I'm obsessed. I'm in love. I'm so obsessed. Angeke.
Blackface.
Babe, wait, besides blackface.
I like them belly.
I like them belly.
Nigga too.
My eye is so painful. The water got into my eye.
Look what he went through just for blackface, babe.
No, shame. I'm so sorry. You don't have to do that.
Hey, you racist.
Yeah, you racist. How dare you? How dare you come into this country and look racist? This is you sure about that? You really want to be black? Can I tell you how you can be black? Okay, I'm gonna mute this so I can show you guys how to be black. But
I don't think that works like
can you see his color?
Yes.
Soon he's gonna turn black.
Yeah.
You know why?
He's got sun.
Because he's fucking a black woman.
Because I'm with her.
Yeah.
He's gonna be black.
Yes. So you're gonna have to get
So
a
you
black
must find,
woman in
you
order
must
for you
find
to be black.
beautiful black queens.
Yeah.
Not too black. I only want sun.
Yeah, that's the thing. So you have to find a half black woman in order for you to be
You know
black.
Mbappe.
Exactly. If you wanna look
Yeah,
like
Mbappe.
if you wanna look like Mbappe, you're gonna have to.
Not too black.
Exactly. If you wanna look like her, you're gonna have to get a black queen. But we have color doesn't matter. Can I please hug you? That's so beautiful. That is actually so beautiful. That's actually so stunning. I love that so much. That was so beautiful.
I'm a piano, Ale.
No, you need to say I'm a piano, Ale. I'm a piano. Say, Ukabza the small, uyinkosi, my eh. Don't laugh, dude. I'm being serious. Don't fucking laugh. Say Ukabza the small, uyinkosi.
Caso de small incosi.
Dave, you need to fucking say that shit. They need to fucking say that shit with their chest. Ukabza the small, uyinkosi.
What you country from? What you country from? Uzenani.
No, guys, Shem, labantu abashayi anywhere, abantu abamnyama.
What you
Nina.
country from?
My country in Africa. My country is Alexandra in Africa. Do you know Alexandra?
No.
You don't know Alexandra? Okay.
Nigeria. Mali.
You know Nigeria, Mali. Okay. Search Alexandra. Search Alexandra. I'm from Alexandra in Africa. It's a beautiful country. Yeah. Guys, abantu abamnyama, Nina. Konje abantu abakhona ukuhleka nani because nivele nilone. Nivele ni. You take everything seriously. Abantu abamnyama. Yo, I'm Nankaten. Yo, kungeni itswayi. Kungeni itswayi emehlweni wami. Ngaze ngavelelwa nkosi yami. Angivelele. Hi guys, wine namang Alexandra mnandi. Guys, you guys take everything too seriously. I can't even go live to joke with you guys because you guys can't take jokes.